Okay guys, so this is me making a design. Customers ask all the time why I charge £10 for a mug. This is why, because it's took me ages to develop my skills, first of all on Procreate. So that's took hours and hours, and then when I design something that takes hours as well. So I've got to come up with my own design. I need to design it. I'm in and out all the time, adding new bits, taking bits away, adding the colour, using techniques that I've used. So all this process takes time, as you can understand. So the hours that go in to each individual product that I make. So this is just a quick example. I recorded this video and this was about half an hour, probably less, and this still isn't the finished digital artwork. After I do this, I then have to sublimate it, so I print it out on a sublimation printer, cut my designs out after printing, and then sublimate them, stick them onto the mugs and sublimate them. So once again, this is time that it takes for each product I make. I have to do this. I have to make sure the design quality is great. I need to make sure the pressure is great on my heat press. And I'm showing you this example because this also takes time. So not only have I done this, you'll see in the minute that the end product didn't actually end up going out for sale because the colours didn't come out properly. So I pressed it too hard for too long. But this is what happened, so that's my mistake. But then I did correct it and then made the mugs. But people need to understand that it's your time. Yes, you see a mug done and for sale, but so much effort goes into this, to the design quality, to the pressing. So this is why I charge £10 for a mug.